What's up everyone, Ross here from Moon Audio with another unboxing, this time Chord Electronics. You might have heard of this one if you are on Headphone or an Audiophile. This is the new Alto headphone amp and speaker amp, combination 2-in-1. So without further ado, let's get this thing open. All right, looks like it's under there. Let's get out the accessories first. So we've got our power cable. We do make Dragon power cables if you want to upgrade that. And there it is. Let's get it out. Wow, that's smaller than I was expecting. Let's get out the rest of the stuff here in the box. Looks like we have a remote. We'll check that out in a second. Let's see what this is. Perhaps the power adapter. Alright, so kind of a key, and that looks like a sticker actually. Interesting, we'll have to see where that goes on the Alto potentially. QR code for the manual. Safety instructions, very important. And then, looks like this is the power brick. Let's get a closer look at this thing. First up, let's check out the remote. It does come with its own batteries. It's nice. Wow, this is fully constructed of metal. That is really nice. Wow, feels really good in the hand. It's got these nice little kind of depressions here where you can hold it in your hand really nicely. Lots of buttons. Really cool. Looks like you do have to unscrew the battery compartment. It does come with 2 AAA batteries. And they're even branded as Chord batteries. Pretty cool. Don't think I've seen that before. All right, and now what you've probably been waiting for. All right, let's check this thing out. From the front first, got your volume knob. Wow, that's a nice firm volume knob, but a really cool kind of divot there for your finger. It's got the Chord Ultima design here in the middle. Don't know if that's, yeah, I guess that's the button, power button. That's cool. Got input button, output button. And then you might notice something different here on the front. I believe we have a 4.4 millimeter connector. That's pretty new for Chord. And then we got 3.5 and then 2 1/4 inch. On the bottom, we've got these nice feet. Looks like they do unscrew if you want to level your device out a little bit, or perhaps replace them with other feet. Let's check out the back. So we've got 12 volt power out, and then you have the DC power in for the brick I showed you earlier. We've got 2 XLR outputs, 2 XLR inputs, RCA inputs. We'll just go ahead and take that off because we are going to check out the manual. And then under that sticker, you will see some banana connectors for speakers. Nice. All right, so I just finished putting the batteries into the remote, as well as changing up the camera angle so we can get a better look at the front panel of the Chord Alto. So let's power it on. There we go. And then let's see if this does anything. Nice. So it does have a mechanical volume control that you can control from the remote. Pretty awesome. Super cool. Like you saw earlier as well, it does come with this what appears to be a sticker with the kind of color key for what the lights mean. So on the input side, we have green for XLR, red for RCA, and then we have blue for XLR line level pass-through, and purple for RCA with line level pass through. And then on the output side, we've got green for headphone, dark blue for XLR, red for speaker, light blue for headphones with XLR, and purple for speaker with XLR. So that's what those colors will mean depending on which side of the amp those colors are displayed on. If you're familiar with Chord's other products like the Mojo or the Hugo, then you're probably going to be pretty familiar with some of these colors and what they correspond to, but it is nice to have this little sticker that you can put wherever you think is best depending on your setup. Well, let's talk about what makes the Chord Alto so special. So it does use that Chord ULTIMA technology like I talked about before in their more expensive amplifiers, and it also has that similar design to the other ULTIMA amplifiers. It's going to have an extremely clean sound with very low noise distortion, and it's going to be able to drive just about any pair of headphones you can throw at it. It's going to have 2,250 milliwatts of power. That's a lot of power. It also has a really small size, and it can power speakers as well, which is a really nice feature. 50 watts, I believe, per channel. So super awesome there. It's really small too. If you've seen other Chord products like the Chord Hugo TT2, I think this might be smaller than the TT2, which is pretty awesome. So it's got a nice small footprint for your desktop. So that begs the question, who is this for? Well, this is going to be for people that have home studios of some kind, or maybe audiophiles wanting one device for both headphones and speakers. And it also might be for anyone wanting like a studio quality sound in that small footprint like I mentioned. So like you have seen throughout this video, it does have a nice set of connections on the front here. It's going to have a 3.5 here in the top right. You can plug that in, nice. It's got your usual 1/4 inch as well on the bottom there. And then, like I mentioned earlier, it does have a 4.4 connection, which Chord says is pseudo-balanced. So that is really cool, and we'll learn more about that when we do the review very soon. So stay tuned for more information on what that means. This is Chord's first ever product with a balanced connector like this, I believe. So pretty cool. We're really excited to get this to our customer service team and for them to check it out and get a review up on our website, as well as hopefully a video review. If you have any questions about the Chord Alto, do drop them in the comments below. We'd love to answer them in our review and on our blog. And make sure you stay subscribed to our channel so you can stay updated on all the latest audiophile content. Thanks so much for watching.